Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monli Sarumbai bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. The headlines for today are: SSA teachers demands payment of 5 months pending salaries. Various students' union of Garo Hills have started agitations in Nehu Tura campus against the Vice Chancellor. Chief Minister launched MSP SDC portal. And FKJGP Arangonda unit Mokshinrod demands repair of PWD inspection bungalow. And now the news in detail. Leaders and members of SSA teachers of Meghalaya are resorting to roadside agitations, demanding from the government and education department to pay immediately their salaries that are lying pending in for the last 5 months. Leaders of the SSA teachers, while talking with media persons, have expressed their misery in running and keeping their households properly during these difficult days when the cost of living has risen beyond explanation. Prices of every food items have risen by leaps and bounds, but the government stopped paying our salaries for the last 5 months for no reasons. Teachers question and wonder the manner our leaders and officers of the Department of Education are working and performing in the day-to-day duties. SSA teachers demanded from the government to release their salaries immediately.
Ngimde ban salia ngimde banting ngin sakmat panpau yala kahok ke jongi ay ka jingdawa ke jongi man la kapor ngi judawa kaju si kaju langsung leran hado ba shwa banyo tulab ru la banalut baro Meghalaya jaladu tulab ru la banalut baro Meghalaya tewat le syu yang ikum ni Larafi ken bangi kini kai kini kemudian burom sedang mafikat sarkar omde ban sedang upai ba.
The combined agitation of various students' union of Garo Hills have started agitations in Nehu Tura campus on the ground that the Vice Chancellor had failed to fulfill their demands. According to the leaders of Postgraduate Students' Union, the Vice Chancellor had promised to visit Tura campus on July 14th, but he did not turn up. They expect that he will visit Tura on July 18 to settle the various demands of the union and to solve the problems faced by the campus on the whole.
It will be on the 18th of July, and if he will not be here by the 18th of July, we will still continue this. And along with me, we have this Garo Student Union and other NGOs, and we will keep fighting for the rights of the Garos, our tribes, and also for the other tribes, not just our tribes, but also for everyone that's present here on behalf of Nehu Tura campus along with the other NGOs. Today we have struggled a lot, and along with us, not only with us.
Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on the 15th of July launched the Meghalaya State Public Services Delivery Commission MSP SDC portal under the leadership of MS Rao, former Chief Secretary of the Government of Meghalaya. MSP SDC will intimidate the functionalities of various government departments. This initiative is based on the Meghalaya Right to Public Services Act 2020 to provide every citizen's right to time-bound delivery of notified services from the government departments.
Look at all the appeals that are there and all the current status of different applications that have been done. So it's just another way of centralizing the entire system. So everything is a process and everything happens in a time-bound manner. So all that we are doing right now is just making things better.
FKJGP Arandonga unit Mokshinrod demanded the repair of the PWD inspection bungalow in Mokshinrod. According to the members of FKJGP who went to inspect the Arandonga PWD inspection bungalow, they found that the bungalow is in dilapidated condition and need major repair. The organization of the area therefore requesting the state government to look into the matter and sanctions funds to repair the damaged PWD inspection bungalow.
Donga FKJGP area unit, Mokshinrod Circle, West Castles District, lalu cengaya arah donga songona ribai, ya PWD IB ko nina katari baha, ya cengni riba niyo, lalu cengaya nok ni obosta rangko nekaha, je ya nok ni obosta, nengo jakaleng pa nokko jakaleng ba busturang, jaga palong rang, aru thusiani andaki awani bathroom rang toilet rang yarang ko chinga nakaha aru doga khelki ya plakan obosta dongjaha maina yarang ra anchingni nakaniyo chokidar dongja aru nirok koba dongja unigeman chinga taalo.
The Department of Health Government of Meghalaya on Friday 15th of July started giving booster dose vaccination against COVID-19. Locality MLA Charles Pengrop and Immunization Officer Dr. B. Manor were present on the occasion.
Henry mentaka singipat ka sarkar India kala ai yakan ka vaksin yono booster dose lani precautionary dose segi bakat prasnam seneng kum ka jing rakhe yakan ka amrit mahasaf dan new system ka jing dap jongka jing rakhe lai lu yogor India ti mentaka singla sedang hangni hat jing syar ber sedang borok ka state tingla sedang mentaharanja but nang ni syakmat ngan ai syarok khoi ki government hospital syaki CACs ki PACs borok ki sessions Kibalapan Baitdaki district.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.